Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download the PGSharp for iOS and Android. So if you guys do not know, this is a pretty wild Pokemon Go spoofer that lets you do walk around Pokemon World from your house. You got a joystick, you got all the settings. So as you can see, we got all the options on here. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get into the guide. So PGSharp, if you do not know, is generally associated with Android devices. So you're probably cowering right now. You're like, what? I don't have an Android. That is fine, guys, because I am going to show you a website where you can actually get PGSharp for both iPhone and Android. So that's called hexmods.com. So once you're on the website, guys, what you want to do is just go to the search bar and type in PGSharp, and it should come up. There's going to be some other apps, so you might get lost, but just look for PGSharp with this little icon right here. So go ahead and press on it, and then we're going to press the download button, and it's going to start downloading. Now, before it downloads, guys, you may see something come up that tells you that some of the files for the PGSharp download are missing. Now, if you see something like that, it's actually normal and it's easy to fix. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to fix it. So as you can see, guys, it's loading right now and it says PGSharp complete 2 free apps to download the missing files, the additional files. So basically there is a video if you're confused, but what you have to do is download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. They're 100% for free and they're from the official app store. So for instance, guys, this one tells me that I need to reach level 9. This one has a similar requirement, and this one tells me I need to be on the app for 30 seconds. So basically what you need to do is press on the app and it will bring you to the app store, and then you just want to download it and do what it says. So that one was very easy. It was just down and run for 30 seconds. But then we've got Merge Gardens, which tells us that we need to be on level 9. So that is a game, guys, so you would download it and reach level 9. So after you do 2 of the apps, go back to the website and your PGSharp Pokemon Go spoofer should start downloading. And if you're really lost, as I said, there is this video here that you can watch which should allow you to further understand, but it's fairly simple process. So yeah, I'll see you later.